So I've not really figured out how to get wfview to work properly, but this time I've got everything turned off. I want the sound to come out of the radio and go into the computer, but it doesn't want to do it. Radio access. So if we disconnect from the radio, we see these things here, but we can't do anything with them. Radio settings. Data off modulation input. Data mod inputs. Data USB. Radio server. The RX audio input. Uh-oh. Get the wind blowing stuff. Not good. Wow. It blew my map, which has a magnet on it. Somehow it overcame it. I don't understand these ones here on this. The RX audio input, the TX audio output. So the input, well, you would think it wouldn't be microphone, but it doesn't give me any other choice. Why is there no other choice? TX audio output allows me speakers, Realtek high definition audio, speakers, USB audio, AMD HDMI audio output. If we select that one and we connect to the radio, it should technically come out of the TV, but the speakers should be my speakers over here, but there's nothing. Now, if I'm trying to send this thing to the server, would I not want this to be some other thing? So none of what this does makes any sense to me at all. I don't know if I'm missing something important here. But I want my audio to go somewhere else besides the microphone. But okay, so I think with those two set like that, we connect to the radio. And you see it's over here. But the audio is going nowhere. Maybe if I connect to my audio... Oops. Clicking the wrong one. Playback device. I don't know what this thing was set to. I was trying to find the mixer. We go over here, and maybe in settings. So we got display, sound. Okay. So my output device for that, but what we need is the permission for the app. It only gives me this one for that. Manage the sound devices. Alright, that doesn't do me any good. So somewhere in this deal, something's not right. And wfview obviously doesn't have the proper permissions. There's a button here for the log. I'm trying to find it. There it is. Okay, so server audio output devices, speakers, server audio input devices, microphone, and it says found. So what I really want though is I want the sound to come out on this computer no matter what, and then we'll boot this one up really fast. But see if we like that fancy card, Jesse. Anyway, I want the sound to come out on both of them. But if I could get it just to even go over to this computer, I'd be happy. All right, I just switched it from here to port audio. It gave me all these other options. Now we can use the speakers. USB audio codec loopback. Stereo mix, microphone, line in. Okay, so microphone and speakers for RX audio input. Okay, now, well, in my opinion, this should be microphone. TX audio output. Transmit. God, I keep having to close this door. Frickin' wind is nuts today. I don't know. I must have this wrong because they don't seem to want to let you do anything with this. This just seems backwards. It's TX audio. How does it? My transmit audio? Why would I want that going to my speakers? RX audio, I want to go to speakers. Let's just connect to the radio and just see what it does. Alright. Nothing. Alright. We try it over here. It didn't let me do anything over here either. Audio input. See, there's nothing. Audio output. Okay, well, why don't I have audio? It's not sending sound to anything. That's annoying. So, I don't know. I still can't get it to work.